Oh, it's your deadbolt.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not about an handle. It's not even pickable.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hold on, let me check something. Let me see something. Yeah, I hope it's the older one. Let's see. Because I have a camera for the older ones, but they. Well, I can't use a pick tool like I normally would, but hold on. All right, I scoped it, and I'll cut the key. They kind of got lucky. I'm not gonna lie. Because the older style I can do, but the newer one I can't. And this is the older style, so just cut on my key. I need a tool. There's a new tool that came out for these ones, these weird ones that don't have anything on the chart. So I have that tool on order, but I didn't get it yet. I got kids out here. I'm having to help them out. I give them a good price to open this lock, and I don't want to change it on them. So if I had to drill that cylinder, I would have to change it. But got a key, quick. Okay, W1. I'm gonna go direct. I'm gonna go 242, 242, 56. Next on the A side. Just put that down. First key, first try. I think I got it. Pretty clear. What do you think? You think I got it or what?
Of course.
There you go.
My
Oh.
bad. Thank you very much.
You got it. Yeah.
Saved our life.
Yeah.